A few days ago, we studied about family. And yesterday, we studied about rooms or parts of a house. Today, we're going to mix them all together. Are you ready? Let's start. Here is a picture of a family. This is father, mother, brother, sister, and baby, or baby brother. Again, father, mother, brother, sister, and baby. They have a pet dog. So here we have a sentence. It says, father is in the garage. Father is in the garage. Garage is where we park our vehicles, like a car or a motorcycle. Where is father? Is his father? No. Where is father? Oh, father is here. Father is in the garage. Next, mother is in the bathroom. One more time. Mother is in the bathroom. Where is the bathroom? And where is mother? So mother is here, right here. Mother is in the bathroom. Next, brother is in the kitchen. One more time. Brother is in the kitchen, or big brother is in the kitchen. Where is brother? Is this brother? Brother is right over here. Brother is in the kitchen. Next one. Sister is in the living room. One more time. Sister is in the living room. Where is sister? Is this sister? No, definitely not. Where is sister? She's here. Sister is in the living room. This is the living room. Next. Baby brother is in the bedroom. Baby brother is in the bedroom. Where is baby brother? He's right here. He is in the bedroom. Okay, next one. The dog is in the basement. The dog is in the basement. Where is the dog? Okay, the dog is here. A basement is a room underneath the house. For example, this is the house. It's underneath the house. That is called a basement. Next. Father is in the, what is this place? It's called a garage. Garage is here. Next. Mother is in the kitchen. Mother is in the basement. Mother is in the bathroom. Or mother is in the garage. What is this place? It's called bathroom. Bathroom, it's over here. Okay, next. Brother is in the, this one here. Brother is in the kitchen, basement, bathroom, or garage. The answer is kitchen. Okay, next. The dog is in the, what is this place? The dog is in the kitchen? No. Basement, bathroom, or garage? The dog is in the basement. Okay, next. Sister is in the Sister is in the kitchen, living room, bathroom, or bedroom. Who says bedroom? No. Bathroom. No, mother is in the bathroom, not sister. Sister is here. Sister is in the living room. Next, baby brother is in the kitchen, living room, bathroom, or bedroom. The answer is bedroom. Okay. How about the birds? Look at the birds. They are on on is right on top of what room? Kitchen, living room, bathroom, or garage? What is this place? The birds are on the garage. Garage is where we park our vehicles like car and motorcycle. Okay. So that's it for today, boys and girls. I hope you learned a lot of things today with Teacher Edrich of Tairat Vitaya 55 School saying goodbye.